Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about social media post, that is Facebook post. So where to get that option? You can type here or simply you click here social media, and after that you will get this option like Instagram post, Facebook post, Instagram story, WhatsApp status. See, I will show you Facebook post, and after that you can check yourself Instagram post, Instagram story or WhatsApp. It's same. You need to click on the particular design and you can edit it. So let me take you to the Facebook post. Create it. Okay, so this is the size of Facebook post. You can create it from the scratch, and I will just show you from this one. Okay, so we are digital marketing expert. You can change here. Masters, you can change color, anything. If you want to change picture, you can change it here. If you want to drag like this, you can drag here. And in this way you just go ahead, explore the things, explore the content, and you can design better Facebook post. So I hope you got something from this video, and meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.